Earlier this year, a two-person studio released a free demo for their game called Bills Must Be Paid. 2 months before launch, someone ripped the build, recompiled it into a playable version, uploaded it to Douyin with ads running on top, and it went viral. Reich Games, Roxy and Mike, were watching strangers monetize their work while their actual release was still months away. The clone wasn't a lookalike or a reskin. It ran on Reich Games' own assets, audio and skill trees, down to a handwritten note on the in-game desk. Nobody rebuilt anything. They just extracted and repackaged. When building a Unity project, your compiled game ships with scene data, assets, and general project structure in unencrypted binary formats. Tools like Asset Studio or Asset Ripper can convert those files back into native Unity format, meshes, textures, audio, prefabs, scene hierarchy. The workflow is point the tool at the game folder, export. No source code required, no special access. Anyone who downloads your demo has everything they need. We built a Unity extension that encrypts the core asset files at build time. You import it, build as normal, ship the same way. The binary data output looks like a standard build to the player. To a Ripper, the files it depends on are unreadable. The same tools that extracted the Bills Must Be Paid demo in seconds fail entirely on a build protected this way. That doesn't mean your game is unbreakable. A determined reverse engineer with enough time can get through most protections. But automated ripping is opportunistic. It targets the path of least resistance. This package removes you from that path.